In this video, we're going to work on a division word problem with remainder. So if we have a problem like this that says Sienna is waiting in line to get on a ride. The ride takes 5 people at a time. How many rides will there be and how many people can't go on the ride? So the first step is to rewrite the problem. So we know that we have to figure out how many times 5 fits into 761 because 5 people at a time can go, and this is the number of people there are, right? So the first thing is to do is to divide 7 divided by 5. The first digit is the hundreds place value. So remember, we start here and we work our way this way. The first number here happens to be a hundreds place value. This is the tens and this is the ones. If you need extra help, I have links in the description that have links to my other videos that are related to this type of problem that are a little bit simpler. So if you need a refresher, you could take a look there. Also, I have an ebook that you could download and follow this exact example in the ebook. It might make it easier for you. Okay, so let's divide. How many times does 5 fit into 7? Okay, so we know 5 fits into 7 once. So let's put 1 there, right? Next step is multiply 5 times 1. So we go 5 times 1, and we know that's equal to 5, and we put that there, okay? So the next step is subtract 7 minus 5. So 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So let's put in 2. Okay? So the next step, bring down the tens place value. So we can see that there's a place value here that needs to be taken care of, right? So we have to bring that down. So we bring it down, and this number becomes 26. So we need to figure out how many times 5 fits into 26. So divide 26 divided by 5. So I know that 5 times 5 is 25, right? So it's not going to fit perfectly. If you do 6 times 5, that's 30. That's too much. So you have to only do 5. So now 5 times 5 is 25. So then the next step is subtract 26 minus 25. And we're left with 1. Okay? So let's change that color. 1. So now there's still some numbers left in the original problem, right? So bring down the ones place value, which is here. So let's bring that down. So the 1 will go here. So now we have to figure out how many times does 5 fit into 11, right? So we divide 11 divide by 5. So I know that 5 times 2 is 10. So 5 fits into 11 only twice, right? So now we multiply 5 times 2 and we put 10 here. Okay? So then our remainder is 1 because we subtract 11 minus 10, right? So our remainder is 1. So finally, we have to figure out what all this means, right? So what it means is there were 152 rides in total with one person who couldn't go on the ride, right? There was one person left over that had no one to ride with. And then the ride had 152 rides overall. Okay, so if you don't understand this right away, you're probably just one explanation from understanding it. You just need to rewatch the video.